Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own origami butterflies. You can make them any size you like, they're absolutely super easy. Once you get going you'll be making them in a couple of minutes. You can make them out of ordinary copier paper, which is what I've made most of mine out of, or how about getting excited and making some out of old book pages or music, or some thicker paper that's going to make them a little bit sturdier. Great for ornaments. What about for a wedding or a party, or hanging them up for a display? I'm Christine of Christine's Crafts and we're crafting on a budget. So all you need is a square of paper. Mine's 4 inches by 4 inches, which makes a super little butterfly. And the first thing you're going to do is fold your page in half. Make sure you go corner to corner and open it up and then repeat the other 2 corners coming together. And now you should have formed a cross that goes from one corner to the other. Turn your paper over. And now fold it in half again, but this time one side to the other. Get a nice crease, open it up and do the same again. And now you're going to do a classic origami move, which is going to allow us to fold this up really easily into a triangle. So you can see what I'm doing, just pull it together and as if by magic your triangle appears. You can always pause and watch that bit again. But this is what it should look like. And then place it down with the point towards you. And then from one side, just take the top layer and fold it down. But don't take the point right to the bottom. Have it sticking out the side slightly, just like mine. And repeat for the other side. So it should look just like that. And then we're going to take that bottom point and we're going to bend it back underneath, away from those 2 new points. So it'll come right up the back and it'll stick out over the top, and you can start to see that butterfly shape forming, and those bottom points often try to bend under. So that top point, fold it over and get a nice crisp fold there so it stays in place, and then nip down that middle and fold your butterfly in half so you get a good little nip down there that'll keep the shape. And then fold your wings back to whatever shape you like. You can give them as much structure or curl as you want to. And then when you release your grip, there you have it, perfect little butterfly. You can see how they're super easy. You could make loads of these and have a really strong effect. So thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I hope you enjoy making your own butterflies. Please give me a thumbs up below. And subscribe if you like what you see. We have lots of crafting videos coming out regularly. Be the first to see them by clicking the bell. Thanks for watching. Bye.